Have you ever wondered why some things in space behave in the most bizarre and unexpected ways? Well, here's something that might just blow your mind. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, spins in the exact opposite direction than most planets in our solar system. But how? And more importantly, why? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll discover answers even seasoned astronomers find jaw-dropping. All right, let's dive in. When you think of the planets in our solar system, almost all of them rotate counterclockwise, which is what astronomers call a prograde rotation. Earth does it. Mars does it. Heck, even Jupiter, our planetary giant, spins counterclockwise. But Venus? It's the rebel of the planetary family, rotating clockwise on its axis, something known as retrograde rotation. What's even weirder? A single day on Venus lasts longer than an entire Venusian year. That's right. Venus takes about 243 Earth days to complete one full rotation, but it takes only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Now here's where things get mind-boggling. Scientists believe Venus didn't always rotate clockwise. In fact, billions of years ago, they think Venus spun like all the others. So what happened? One of the strongest theories is pretty dramatic. It suggests a massive collision. Yeah, picture this. Early in the history of the solar system, Venus may have been struck by a planet-sized object with so much force that it flipped its rotational direction. Simulations support this idea, showing how even a slight off-center impact could completely reverse the planet's spin over time. Can you imagine the kind of cosmic chaos that would cause? Another explanation has to do with Venus's thick, toxic atmosphere. Venus's air is almost entirely made up of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid. Yep, acid. These elements create an incredibly thick and heavy atmosphere, which generates extreme pressure, over 90 times the pressure we feel here on Earth. Now here's where it gets cool, or should we say, scorching hot. Venus's atmosphere traps heat so effectively that it's the hottest planet in the solar system, with surface temperatures reaching a toasty 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius. But what does this have to do with rotation direction? Well, scientists believe that these dense atmospheric forces, over millions or billions of years, could have slowed Venus's original rotation to almost a standstill and then gradually reversed it. It's like a game of tug-of-war played out across millennia. Let's not stop there. Venus has more mysteries up its sleeve. While the thick atmosphere is one of the reasons the planet rotates so sluggishly, the Sun's gravitational pull also plays a sneaky role. Imagine the Sun clutching onto Venus like an invisible hand, slowing it down bit by bit as it rotates. Astronomers call this tidal friction. Over eons, this push and pull motion could have been enough to reverse its spin direction entirely. So basically, Venus is like that friend at the party who decides to walk counterclockwise while everyone goes forward, except the universe might have forced it to do so. Still not amazed? Here's another fascinating fact to add to Venus's bizarre list. Its rotation speed is also slowing even further over time. Recently, scientists discovered that Venus is spinning about 6.5 minutes slower than it was a few decades ago. That might not sound like a lot, but for an entire planet, it's monumental. Could tidal forces and atmospheric dynamics still be altering the planet's behavior even now? Experts are still studying this strange phenomenon. By now, you're probably wondering, why should we care about Venus's rotation? Well, understanding the mechanisms behind Venus's unusual behavior helps us learn more about our entire solar system. It gives humans the keys to solving broader cosmic puzzles. Plus, with upcoming missions like NASA's Veritas and Europe's Envision, we're set to unravel even more secrets of Venus's past. Imagine getting close-up views of its mysterious surface features, like volcanic plains and vast craters formed over billions of years. There's so much left to uncover about this enigmatic planet. So, what does Venus's backward spin ultimately teach us? It's a stark reminder that space is unpredictable, chaotic, and endlessly fascinating. Our solar system's planets might seem like a neat and orderly family, but dig a little deeper and you'll find stories of planetary collisions, atmospheric extremes, and forces of unimaginable scale. Stories that redefine what we know about the universe. Curious for more? Check out more of my long-form videos now on my channel Science Spark. This outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Click the link in the description to get started today.